Uber Eats charges are usually adjusted through in-app disputes, and most refunds are decided automatically based on order data like delivery status, item logs, and GPS tracking. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to file a dispute, what Uber Eats actually checks before refunding you, and what to do when your claim gets denied. Start in the Uber Eats app. Open Orders, and tap the specific order that was charged incorrectly. Every dispute starts from the order receipt screen, not from General Help or Account Settings. Tap Help and select the issue that matches your charge problem. This could be missing items, wrong order, or being charged for an order you didn't receive. The system routes each issue differently, so picking the closest match matters. If you were overcharged, check the item list carefully before submitting. Uber Eats compares your claim against the restaurant's digital receipt. If taxes, fees, or substitutions explain the difference, the system may reject the dispute automatically. If you were charged for a cancelled or undelivered order, focus on the timeline. Uber Eats tracks whether the restaurant accepted the order, whether a driver was assigned, and whether delivery was marked complete. Disputes are usually approved faster when the order status clearly shows it was not delivered. After you submit the claim, the response comes through the app. Some cases are handled instantly by automated review, while others are escalated to support staff if the system needs more verification. If your dispute is denied, don't resubmit the exact same request right away. Uber Eats systems flag duplicate claims and often delay further review. Instead, reopen the original order and check if you missed any detail like partial delivery or substitutions. If you still believe the charge is wrong, use the Contact Support option inside the same order. That opens a direct chat where you can explain the issue in more detail and provide screenshots if needed. Bank chargebacks should be your last step. If you go through your bank first, Uber Eats may lock your account or block future refunds while the claim is investigated externally. The main things to remember are simple. Always dispute from the order screen. Match your issue to the correct category. And escalate to chat support only when the automated system doesn't resolve it. Next time you see a wrong Uber Eats charge, open the order immediately and start the dispute while the transaction details are still fresh in the system. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes for delivery and payment issues.